Okay, so we've got a 2020 Toyota RAV4 Cruiser Hybrid, automatic, travelled 9,000 kilometres. 8-month wait on a brand new one. You can have this one right now. Just immaculate, black wheels, looks the part, hybrid engine with the petrol engine, top of the range. Take a look at the interior. So we've got the multi-function steering wheel there with your Bluetooth and cruise control. There's your kilometres, 9750. Got the satellite navigation, reverse camera, and the big heads-up display there. Dual zone climate and air conditioning. There's your off-road modes. 2 keys, logbooks. Leather interior is in excellent condition. Got the electric seats, side airbags as well. There's your back seat there, like it's never been sat in. Just show you inside the boot. It's a power tailgate, but all inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call. Oh, I'll even throw in the floor mats.